So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that square ABCD has sides of length 1 centimeter. So you can see that A, B, C, D, this is a square and this side's length is 1 centimeter. So all sides are equal and all sides are equal to 1 centimeter. Triangle CFE is a isosceles right angle triangle tangent to arc BD at the point G. So this CEF, this is a isosceles right angle triangle which is tangent to the BD. So BD is this arc. You can see that BD is this arc. So this is tangent at this point, and in the question it is calling this point as G. And arc BD is a quarter circle with the center at A. So this is the center and this is 90-degree angle. So this is quarter circle. So what is the total area of the two shaded regions? So this green region plus this green region. So these are the two shaded regions and we have to find the area of them. So what is the total area of the green region? We have to tell that. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure, I just draw this diagonal. So this is a square, I just draw this diagonal and we can write shaded area as square area, which is the ABCD whole area, and minus the quarter circle. So ABCD whole area is this area and the quarter circle is only this area, and thereafter the triangle area I am subtracting. So triangle area is this area. So you can see that square area minus quarter circle area minus triangle area is equal to this green shaded area. Now you see AC is the diagonal. So this length is 1 and this length is 1. This is a right angle triangle. This length is also 1. So we can see that this length is root 2, Pythagoras theorem, and we can also see that this AD and BA both are the radius of this quarter circle, and this length is 1, so radius of this quarter circle is 1, and this AX, you see we are calling this point as X. So this distance AX is also equal to the radius of this quarter circle, so this is also equal to the 1 centimeter. So we can write AX as 1 centimeter and we know AC as root 2 centimeter. So we can find this CX as root 2 minus 1 centimeter. Just subtracting AC minus AX, so you can find this distance. And here it is 90-degree angle because of symmetry. And in the problem it is given that this is an isosceles right angle triangle. So this length is equal to this length. It is given in the problem. This is 90-degree angle. This is 90-degree angle also. So this angle will be 45 and this angle will be 45 because of isosceles triangle. And this angle is 90. So what we can write? So these both angle are 45. So we can write sine 45 as the CX divided by CE. So you look at the triangle CXE. So this is sine 45, which is this perpendicular divided by this hypotenuse CE. And CX we just calculated root 2 minus 1, but CE we don't know. But sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So from here you can calculate the value of CE, which is come as root 2 minus 1 multiplied by root 2. And what is the area of this CEF triangle? What is the area of that? So half times this, because this is right angle triangle, and we know CE is equal to this CF. So we can just write CE square, and CE we just calculated root 2 multiplied by root 2 minus 1. So this whole square. So root 2 square is 2 and this is root 2 minus 1 whole square. So this 2 and 2 cancel and this will become like root 2 minus 1 whole square, which is 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2, and the value after simplifying is coming like 3 minus 2 root 2. So we find out the area of the triangle, and quarter circle area we know like pi by 4 times its radius is square. So radius is 1, so pi by 4 times 1 is square, which is pi by 4 centimeter square. And the ABCD square area we can easily calculate it, like it is 1 multiplied by 1, so which is 1 centimeter square. So this is the, because the side of the square is 1 centimeter. So the shaded area we discussed previously as the square area minus quarter circle area minus triangle area. So it is 2 root 2 minus 2 minus pi by 4. So this is the answer to this problem. But I told you another method in this video. So this is the another method. This is the method 2 of solving that problem. So let's see also this. So you see in this figure, I just drew these two diagonals. So one is the AX from A to the point X and one is this DB, and both are intersecting at 90-degree angle because of square property. And we know this OA length as root 2 divided by 2 because the diagonal length, this diagonal length is simply root 2 because this is 1 and this is 1, and after applying Pythagoras theorem you calculate the dB length as root 2, and dB length is also equal to this AC length. AC is another diagonal, so this length is also root 2, so half of that is this OA length. So OA length is 1 by root 2, half of the diagonal length. Now you see, so this OX length we can write like this x length, which is the radius of the quarter circle, which is 1, and this OA length, so it is 1 minus 1 by root 2, so which is root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. So this is the value of the OX length. And this EF length we can also calculate. So you see this is a like trapezoid like E, F, D, B. So we want to calculate the this trapezoid area. So for that we need this perpendicular height and the length of this and length of this also. So we are finding the EF length, which is this dB length, which is this diameter, and if we subtract this part, and here it is symmetric also, so if we subtract this part also, so dB minus 2 times BH, so we want to do this. And you see like here, if you see, this is a 90-degree angle, so both are perpendicular, and we can see that this whole angle is 90-degree and this diagonal is dividing this whole angle in equal parts, so this will be 45. So if this is 90, this will be 45, so this will also be 45. So if this will be 45, then this length is equal to this length. So this BH length is equal to the EH length, and EH length is equal to this OX length because both are parallel and both are the same lengths. So OX length we just calculated previously as root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. So we can simplify in the EF length as this dB, which is root 2 minus 2 times this BH length, and BH length is equal to OX length, and OX is root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. So after simplifying, it will come as you can cancel this 2 and this root 2, so it will become like root 2 times root 2 minus 1. So it is minus 2 plus root 2, so which is 2 root 2 minus 2. So this is the length of EF we find out. So now we can easily find out this trapezoid area EFDB. It is half times this EF length plus DB length multiplied by the perpendicular height between them, which is EH. So EF we calculated as 2 root 2 minus 2, and this dB length we know, which is the diagonal, which is root 2. EH length is root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. So this is 3 root 2 minus 2, and this is this. So here you can take root 2 common. So after taking root 2 common, it will become like 3 minus root 2, and this root 2 and this root 2 cancels. So it will become like 3 root 2 multiplied by this. So it will become like 3 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 and divide by this 2. So 3 root 2 plus root 2, it is 4 root 2, and 3 and 2, it will become like 5 and divided by 2, and after dividing by 2, it will become like 2 root 2 minus 5 by 2. So this is the trapezoid area we know. So now we can calculate the shaded green area. So you can see that this is this trapezoid area, which is this, and if you subtract the quarter circle, which is this whole area, and then what you are doing, then you are just adding this triangle area. So effectively this thing is doing like subtracting only this area. So if you subtract minus quarter circle and you do addition of this triangle ABD area, then you can easily find the shaded area. So EFDB area we calculated previously as 2 root 2 minus 5 by 2, and ABD is a right angle triangle, so this area is half times 1 times 1, which is 1 by 2, And quarter circle is pi by 4 times its radius square, which is 1 square, so it will become like pi by 4. So this minus this and plus this, so after simplifying it will become like 2 root 2 minus pi by 4, which is same as we calculated by method 1, which is this. So in this way we can solve this.